small mistake. A missed allergy, a medication given to the wrong patient, a chart you forgot to update. In nursing, moments like these can change everything, for your patient and for your career. But here's the good news. Most malpractice claims are preventable. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your patients and yourself. So let's break down malpractice prevention in nursing. Explained simply, step by step, no confusing legal jargon. Let's start with the basics. Malpractice simply means a professional failed to provide the standard of care expected, and someone got hurt because of it. In nursing, that standard of care is the level of care a reasonable, competent nurse would give in the same situation. So malpractice prevention is the everyday practice of making sure your care is safe, correct, and well documented. It's about closing the gaps where mistakes happen. Think of it like this. Prevention isn't one big action. It's 100 small, smart choices you make every shift. You might be wondering, why focus on this so much? Two big reasons: patient safety and legal risk. First, patient safety. Your patients trust you with their health, sometimes their lives. Preventing errors keeps them safe and helps them heal faster. Second, legal risk. When care goes wrong, it can lead to a malpractice claim. That's a legal complaint saying the nurse didn't meet the standard of care. These claims are stressful, costly, and can affect your license. Here's the key idea. Good prevention protects your patient first, and that protects you too. The two go hand in hand. To prevent problems, you need to know where they usually come from. Let's look at the most common causes. 1. Medication errors. Wrong drug, wrong dose, wrong patient, or wrong time. This is one of the biggest sources of claims. 2. Failure to monitor. A patient's condition changes, but the warning signs get missed or acted on too late. 3. Communication breakdowns. A handoff between nurses leaves out a key detail. Or a concern about a patient never reaches the doctor clearly. 4. Documentation gaps. If it isn't written down, legally it's like it didn't happen. Missing or sloppy notes create big problems. 5. Failure to follow procedures. Skipping a step in a protocol, even a small one, can lead to harm. Notice a pattern? Most of these aren't about bad nurses. They're about busy nurses, broken systems, and small slips. That's exactly why prevention works. Now for the part you'll actually use on shift. Here are simple, practical strategies any nurse can apply. Strategy 1. Always use the rights of medication administration. Right patient, right drug, right dose, right route, right time. Check it every time, even when you're rushing. Especially when you're rushing. Strategy 2. Verify patient identity twice. Use two identifiers like name and date of birth. Scanning a wristband takes seconds and prevents serious mix-ups. Strategy 3. Document clearly and on time. Write what you saw, what you did, and when. Be factual, not vague. For example, instead of patient seemed fine, write patient alert, vital stable, denies pain. Good notes protect everyone. Strategy 4. Communicate using a structured handoff. A simple framework like SBAR helps. That stands for situation, background, assessment, recommendation. It keeps your reports clear so nothing important slips through. Strategy 5. Speak up early. If something feels off, report it. A quick call to the provider about a changing patient can prevent a crisis. You're allowed to advocate for your patient. Strategy 6. Know your policies. Follow your facility's protocols and stay within your scope of practice. These rules exist because they keep patients safe. Strategy 7. Never assume, ask. If an order looks wrong or unclear, clarify it before acting. A few seconds of questioning can prevent a serious error. Let's put it together with a simple scenario. Imagine you're handed a medication order that looks unusually high. You're busy, the unit is loud, and it would be easy to just give it. But instead, you pause. You double-check the dose against the patient's chart. You call the provider to confirm. It turns out the dose was a typo. That one small pause just prevented harm to your patient and a possible claim against you. That's malpractice prevention in action. Simple choices, big impact. So let's quickly recap what we learned. Malpractice prevention in nursing means giving safe, correct, well-documented care every shift. It matters because it protects your patients and your license. Most claims come from medication errors, missed monitoring, poor communication, and weak documentation, and all of those are preventable. Your best tools? Check medications carefully, verify patients, document clearly, hand off using S-bar, speak up early, follow your policies, and ask when something seems off. Prevention isn't about fear, it's about confidence. The more you build these habits, the safer your patients are and the stronger you become as a nurse. If this helped malpractice prevention finally click for you, you're already on the right track. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep protecting the people who count on you. Thanks for watching. Now go give great, safe care.